Hey, welcome to the SEEZELIFE channel. Appreciate you being here. And if you are, I assume that you like SUV camping, overlanding, 4Runners, or maybe just being outdoors, although it is really hot today. And I wanted to show you this minimalistic sliding cargo tray slash table that I built last night. It took me about 2 hours and $40. So come on in, I'm gonna show what it looks like. I have a paracord drawstring as my handle to pull out with just 2 screws on the side. So it comes right out, and it does fit a little snug, and that's the way I wanted it. It's nice and carpeted. The entire length of this piece of plywood is 36 inches, but it only extends out 24 inches. And this is my sleeping platform. If you haven't seen this, I'll put a link in the description below. But this is a lightweight folding sleeping platform. And so underneath I just had storage. I wanted to make a slide out tray, so to speak, so that I could put a camping stove on or my laptop as a workspace. This tray as it is, I think could comfortably hold 25, 30 pounds. If I pushed it in a little bit, maybe able to hold more. Because the sliders are bottom mounted, it probably can't hold as much as they're rated for. So I'd be cautious about that. But I'm really happy with this design. Like I said, it was just a simple thought and idea and a quick run to Home Depot. All I had to buy for this was 2 24-inch drawer sliders, which are bottom mounted and spaced evenly. Of course, I had to get a small piece of plywood, and I already had some carpet. So the materials, like I said, was 40, 50 bucks all in all, maybe 2.5 hours of time. If you're a DIYer, this would be really simple for you. Very straightforward. Just mount them underneath, screw them in, just make sure they're lined up well. And that was it. Of course, you need to build a sleeping platform. So if you haven't already, go check out that other video. I know it was very helpful for a lot of people. But this is it. This is my rig, and every time something new comes along, I just fall more in love with it, and I get a lot of use out of this. I actually slept in it last night. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed all of this, and feel free to leave me any feedback or any comments, and I'll get back to you. But I appreciate you being here. Go ahead and seize life. Adios.